This is going to be a quick video tutorial to show you how to make selections in Affinity Photo. By far, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make selections, but if we look over here at the selection tools, if you come over from Photoshop, you recognize these: freehand, rectangular, marquee, elliptical. But by far the easiest way to make a selection in Affinity Photos, use the selection brush tool. It's right up here. Now you notice when you selected that, a few things showed up here. You have add, subtract, and you adjust your width here, and a few other things we're going to look at. But to make a selection with the brush tool, you start painting over it. And we noticed that, let me zoom in here a little bit. You notice we got too much here, so what we're going to do is we're going to have, we're going to select subtract here, and we're going to bump that out there. Now what I'm going, and we'll do it right here too. Also, I want to make the circle smaller. I'm going to use my bracket keys. You can obviously go up here, but I'm going to use my bracket keys right and left. So we're going to, and you notice I have a little bit too much here, so we're going to subtract that out, move that in a little bit, and touch that little blinking spot. So we got our marching ants here. Now, this is going to be a rough selection. I'm going to show you real quick. Let's move this in first. Okay, it's going to be a little bit of rough selection. So I'm going to Control-C the selection. I'm going to put it onto a new document to show you what it does. You notice that's pretty rough, right? So I got another pixel layer here, and we're going to turn this one off. And I'm going to come back over here on this one, and I'm going to zoom out just a hair, just a little bit there. And I'm going to go up here and select Refine. And you see where it says Smooth? I'll set that to about 10 pixels. And I'm going to apply that. Now I'm going to Control-C that same selection. Put it back over here. Paste it in. And see how smooth the edges are now on this one? Let's look at the old one. Let's turn this one off. Turn this one on. See how rough that was? Off. Back on. And now see how smooth that is. So that's how you can smooth it real quick. It's the easiest way to make a selection. So now let's add a mask to this selection. We're going to add the black and white mask here. And we'll just go ahead and X out of that. And now we're going to deselect. Now with this mask, we're going to select the mask here. On this mask, we can use it just like you can with any other mask. We can use the paintbrush. I'll put my things, I'm going to press D and put my things back like that. We can use the paintbrush. If we have it on black, what was underneath it, if we turn this off, what was underneath it, the original picture, we can paint back into it. And we'll notice here, we'll just turn it off again. There's the whole thing. That's just bringing some of it back in. So you can work with it like you can with any other mask. And using your black and white, you can add and remove from the underlying picture. That's really all there is to making a selection, the easiest way anyway, in Adobe, in Affinity Photo. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, make a comment. You have a good day.